Welcome. Today we're taking a look at how to make a Treasury proposal on Geode. Make sure you have the staking and voting menu turned on. Go to voting and to the Treasury page. Here you can see proposals that are up, how much coin is available, and you can submit a proposal. In this form, you're submitting it with the first account. The second one is the beneficiary who will receive the coin. That may be you, it may be someone else. And the value is how much coin they should receive for the job that typically they have already done or that they would like to do. You are going to have a 5% bond for this. Be aware if your proposal is voted down, you're going to lose that bond. So make sure you run these ideas by the council and the community before you submit that proposal. And it's just that easy. Socializing your Treasury proposal is as easy as using the messaging app, Geode Social, or even the Geode Discord. Check out everything there is to know at geodechain.com. Tell your friends, and we'll see you on chain.